Jane, would you like to show the viewers what the fuck's wrong with your car today?
No.
Well, anyways, so he blew up his gearbox,
and then blow it up. Fuck off.
So he blew up his gearbox.
I did not blow it up
because he was trying to keep up with me, and
get fucked.
And yeah, so we dropped his gearbox. Well, he did. I didn't. I think it's time for a rotary swap, mate.
I think it's time for you to get a reliable car. Last one. She's good.
Wow.
That was the least satisfying.
That was fucked.
Oh, well. Alright. That's lined up. That's all good. Alright. So now. Hear me out. I recommend getting these for your garage.
Carpet.
Yep. It absorbs the oil and it's nice and comfy to lay on.
Yeah.
Instead of being on a cold hard floor, you're breaking your back and you get bent over and diddled. True story.
I'm gonna take a shit. Who knows? It might be easy. Yeah, that shit's stiff.
It is seized.
Selling on Marketplace, starting bid at $100. I know what I got. Anyways.
Oh, Jack, fucking legend, you. God, I love me.
Bit weird. The spline on the... So the clutch isn't in line properly?
Oh no. Clutch is aligned. Because I had the tool in it, so it should be good. Plus the pressure plate is what aligns it.
Oh yeah.
50% battery train with the front wheel. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm ready, bro. You ready?
Get it. I'm ready, bro.
Like a milestone, you know what I mean?
I'll do it as well.
Bench 100?
I'll do it with you.
Really?
I'll actually do it.
Alright, that's what I'm trying to really focus on, like pushing, like... yeah.
Holy shit, bro, you're a monster. You're telling me a monster.
Did it turn? I don't know, I think it turned off.
Oh yeah, it just goes like that because it's on low battery.
Oh, okay.
Just finished a good ass workout. Win the 7 tonight. We're just gonna go and cruise around. Gonna pick up the missus. But yeah, it's a bit cold right now, so I'm just gonna wait for the temps to go up. And yeah, it was an awesome workout. I want to start like filming my my health records and stuff. I just want to be more healthy. I feel like lately I've been slacking so much, so I'm gonna post hopefully in my vlogs. I don't want to do just car stuff. It's gonna be a bit of everything, but mainly car stuff, so do subscribe. But yeah, so pick up the camera then.
¿Tú? Te demoras mucho. Mucho.
Siamo un pedon. Slack, who tightened these wheels last time?
Fun. They take time to get hot again because they just get really cold quickly. So, but once they get full, they had an issue with it. But just to keep that in mind, yeah.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, bro's already breaking my rims.
I'm not breaking anything,
Not my quote-unquote $4,000 rims now.
bro. No one said you own them. It's a lending situation.
Perfect fitment. Hopefully it doesn't rub. Oh. I reckon it should be alright. We can't fit the new rims on the Rx7 sadly because of just not enough fitment in a way, so it's kind of sad, but it is what it is. Because of the tire, we just can't remove the tire from the rear, from where the wall is, without fully scratching them. So we're like, oh, it's best not to risk it or anything like that. So we'll just come back. I meant tires on his new rims now. See what happens then. But sad, we're back on the stockies, and it just felt like a waste of a day. But oh, it is what it is. So at least we got the Rx7 out for a bit and got to rip it out because it's been inside for like a month or so.
Mañana lo haremos caldo, amor.
KFC.
¡Chate! Es así, ¿no?
¿Comida?
Sí, sí, comida.
¿Qué más?
Sí, amor. Y, amor, muchos huevos allá. Sí, traigo el basket. Amor, ¿intentamos? ¿Sí o no? Vamos a hijo de puta. ¿Estás listo? Ya lo comí. Ven aquí, amor. Amor, tú. Amor, tú. Espera. Él aquí, ¿sí? Espera. Amor, no. Amor, no entres. Amor, tú, basket aquí y luego entrar. Cuando él dentro, tú entrar. Amor, amor.
I need these back space legs. No.
Sí. Ah, ya sé. Mira, amor, prepárate. Amor, ahora. Otra vez, amor, otra vez. Amor, ahí. Amor. Ven, cómeme, desgraciado.
Hey, buddy.
Cuida, amor, por los huevos, yo estoy, amor, dale. Por los huevos, amor, amor, amor. Amor, tengo mucho miedo. Hijo de puta. Hijo de puta. Ya, amor. Amor, amor. Amor, ya. Amor. Amor, ahora mismo, ahora mismo. Ay. ¿Todo?
Yeah, sí.
Ay, lo hicimos. Hijo de puta. Ay, amor. Ay, amor.
Go the eggs.
Los huevos, amor.
Alright, is this the day that we are going to switch out the rims? Of course, safety first. Well, stay tuned if we change these rims today on Dragon Arcana Speed. It's cold morning in Australia. Let's see if the rotary will start, because it struggles to start in the cold. So yeah.